are now going to use a bale needle to cut the straw bale in half, or it's also used for making a custom bale. We take the needle and we're going to put it through the straw bale. We're going to change these strings which are holding it now for 2 sets of new strings which are going to go instead. We're going to put the straw bale needle through the center, and notice that there was 2 slots here on the needle. We're going to take our new piece of string and put it on. One of the slots is for pulling the string through, the other one is for pushing. It's really important to make sure that the strings aren't crossed, that they're open like this. We're going to pull this through, making sure I don't move the needle as I'm going. Cut the string on this side in half. One string goes over to that side, one string goes over to this side. And now I'm going to take the string and make a loop, just the same way as you normally make a regular knot. Instead, you double it over, make a regular knot, and then you have a loop which isn't going to slip. We pull the string through the loop back on itself as tightly as possible, and then just tie it back in the most simplest way. Cut off the excess so it won't be dangerous, anyone won't fall over it. And now we're going to do exactly the same thing on the bottom half as well, and then we'll cut the originals off, and hopefully we'll have 2 halves. Hopefully the strings won't interlock. We're now making a half bale. Those are the bales which are needed every other row, wherever there's a window and wherever there's a door frame. What we could be doing as well is making a custom bale if a gap occurs during placing the bales and it's like you can't fit a full bale in there, then we'll make a custom bale. And that custom bale could be, we'll measure it with a tape measure to exactly the size we want to do. Making a loop again, taking the other side, pulling it back on itself, make sure it's parallel with the string from before, there's not any weird angle. These strings are actually old strings, recycled from the dairy. Once again, cut off the excess. Okay, now let's cut the, so to make sure we don't accidentally cut the new ones, we're cutting the old ones. Ari, do you want to pull that one through that side? I'm going to pull this one off. Okay, now let's see, we pull this side. There we have a beautiful half bale ready. So it could be a custom bale, it could be whatever length we wanted it to be. Just measure it, put the needle through, all ready for building.